Hello everyone, Coco is back, it's Kokocooks channel, and today I want to talk to you a little bit about Asian food. Who doesn't like Asian food? I think everyone likes Asian food. But usually when you go to Asian places, it tastes very nice, but sometimes it can be stressful for your... some people may say it's not healthy. Therefore, I decided to do the easy sweet and sour sauce that you can make with some chicken. So for this recipe, we will need 300 to 400 grams of chicken breasts. We will need some pineapple, around 300 grams. We need 1 pepper. And we will need 1 onion. So let's start doing this. So let's start with the onion. I add onions and red pepper for sweetness and some color. We put about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Then we put onion in. And we fry this onion for about 2 to 3 minutes until it starts to get golden color. Now add some red pepper. Here's your 2 veggies that they already in this pan. You should keep frying it for another 3 to 4 minutes. Now let's make some space in between. We're going with the chicken. Chicken breasts are a good source of protein and are low in fat and low in sodium. Chicken breasts provide 0 grams of carbohydrate, so they are a low carb food. The estimated glycemic load of chicken breasts, skinless, boneless and raw, is 0. Since chicken breasts are so versatile, they are easy to incorporate into a healthy diet. Now the chicken is still raw, but now it's time to add some pineapple. You gotta love pineapples as much as I do. Why? They contain high amounts of vitamin C and manganese, which is important for antioxidant defenses. Pineapples also contain high amounts of thiamine, a B vitamin that is involved in energy production. These tropical treats are also a good way to get important dietary fiber, and bromelain, it's an enzyme which can act as a fat burner. Now let's add a bit of soya sauce, 2 to 3 tablespoons. Don't forget to mix well. And let's add some sauce of the famous brand. I'm not going to tell which one. We need about 2 to 3 tablespoons of tomato sauce. And now what we do is we put the lid on. Keep it closed for 5 minutes. And with a miracle of time, look what we have. This smells and tastes exactly like sweet and sour sauce, but this is way healthier than the one you can get from Chinese. And that's a good thing. Yeah, boy. So this is portion for 2, I would say. Or you can eat it by yourself if you want. Let's check the meat. As you can see, the meat is very soft, but it's done. And now this is what we have in the end. It's very nice, it's very healthy. I will put everything here about carbs, proteins and fats. What do we have here? And thanks everyone for watching and see you next time. Ciao!